Hello sir, we are group 8. We are working on the project digital logging system using PMOD peripherals. So we have used Z-board, PMOD keypad, PMOD OLED for our project, where PMOD keypad is used for taking the password input. And PMOD OLED is used for giving output as access granted or access denied based on the correctability of the password. So
And now this is the experimental setup of the whole project.
So initially we first made a module to decode the keypad. Like keypad is an active low device. So when uh, whenever there is an active low signal, this means that that part that is triggered here, row is 0111. That means first row is triggered, and the decoded output is 1 as per the keypad structure we're having. So similarly, flag is what the number of flag is called the key change. Whenever an input is triggered, we get flag as 1. This will be helpful in our main module while taking the number of bit inputs, number of digit inputs. So these outputs will be sent to the digital lock module. Here, the digital lock module is working on the clock and reset. Its inputs are row, column, clock, reset, where the output is status, which means the access is correct. The password is correct or not, and then and we are also taking key change from the keypad module. So this is our main logic, where we'll be using FSM to decode whether the password is correct or not. Then after the status is received, we'll be going to the top module. Top module has top module will be containing uh, which output should be printed upon the LED. So like if the status here is 1, access granted will be printed. If the status is 0, then access denied will be printed. So for all of these letters, we need a ROM where we need to store all the letters. So this is a ROM module where all the letters as per the pixels of OLED has been given. So we're storing all the ASCII characters, whichever is needed will be taken from the ROM. So like how are the ASCII characters being taken? For that question, we'll be moving to OLED control. Yeah, so in SPI control, like whenever the output is changing, this data will be sent to SPI control, and SPI control will be sending its data to the OLED control. So in OLED control, there are a set of instantiations that should be done. So these are the parameters we give. So all of these idle, delay, these are all the input initial conditions. So after that, after getting the status from the top module, after getting status from the digital lock module, that data will go to top module. Top module will be sending some bits to OLED control, where OLED control will be sending that data bits to ROM module. So the ROM module will be taking the memory location of those letters, and then it will be printing it upon the OLED control. So this is our hardware setup, where this LED stands for status. This LED stands for the key changes. Like if we give an input, then this LED will glow, saying that an input is given. These two are my digit indexes. it means that number of inputs that are being stored in the register. So, and this is my already where access is denied or access granted or denied will be showed upon. This is my keypad, 16 input keypad. So whenever I'm giving and my password is 1111. So whenever I'm giving a 1, it's giving access granted and the output is shown as 1. So this means that the code is working. So whenever I'm giving a 2, this is giving access, and like it only works when the output triggers. I mean, if the status triggers, then only the OLED will change its contents. So whenever I'm giving a 2 here, the output will not change. Like whenever I give a 1, then the output changes to access granted.